And Barrowfield Tower, Uniform Sierra India is ready, runway 21 right.
Uniform Sierra India, just confirm ready for St Kilda departure.
Confirm ready for St Kilda departure, Uniform Sierra India.
Uniform Sierra India, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 21 right, Uniform Sierra India. Hey, no one's coming. You guys are both good?
Yeah, we're good.
Alrighty, let's do this. Get on the floor. Ships are alive, engines in the green. Speed's alive. And we're away. Yay! Yeah, that's there. Ready on that. Ready with Edinburgh. Okay. And 500 feet. And let's turn out for St Kilda.
Barrowfield Tower, System 8 to Oscar Bravo Foxtrot, ready, hold your point Alpha 5 to right for a St Kilda departure.
Oscar Bravo Foxtrot, traffic is assessed around crosswind, also outbound via St Kilda, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff.
Copy the traffic at 21 right, clear for takeoff, Oscar Bravo Foxtrot.
It's the other Cessna coming out. Got the strobe.
The strobe's out.
Yep.
You need to get out into the, do you have to go more in the channel?
Yeah.
I don't know what the wind's doing.
I've got 12 knot crosswind. Alright, so we are about 2 minutes out, we are on track.
Time-wise?
Perfect. So we'll go over to Edinburgh. Alright, so we are 2 miles from St Kilda. Got a shot.
It's pretty quiet.
It is. Edinburgh flow, Cessna 172, Uniform Sierra India is 3 miles south of St Kilda at 1000 inbound for the Airshow.
Uniform Sierra India, good morning Edinburgh flow, squawk 4400, remain outside Class C airspace.
Squawk 4400, remain outside Class Charlie, Uniform Sierra India.
And Uniform Sierra India, QNH at Edinburgh 1023, advice PRB.
Copy the QNH, what was the other message, sorry?
Advise PRB, read back for 1023.
Yep. 1023 and 3 POV, Uniform Sierra India.
Uniform Sierra India.
Up to here. Alright. Far so good. I'm expecting we'll be on runway 22, which is the grass strip coming in the other way. Hopefully that doesn't change.
So when do we turn in when he calls us?
Let us know, he said remain outside.
Yep.
picking up outside for now. Just sorting out their sequencing, I imagine. Looking good.
Uniform Sierra India, contact Edinburgh Tower 118.3, good day.
Tower 118.3, Uniform Sierra India. Edinburgh Tower, Cessna 172, Uniform Sierra India is 1,000 feet.
India, Christian Uniform, Sierra India, Edinburgh Tower, cleared into controlled airspace on a visual approach left base runway 04.
Cleared into controlled airspace, left base, visual for 04, Uniform Sierra India. Okay, so that's not the runway I was expecting, we're coming the other way.
Airplanes, you're right, yeah, we're not going to go round.
We're not going to go around at all. That's alright, we can do this. Just got to find the...
Line 04.
Yeah.
There's the main runway go.
Yeah, we're going to be looking almost straight.
Combine, track via the overhead to join a right to downwind runway 18.
Track via the overhead for a right downwind for runway 18 and is an initial and pitch down 18 available.
Watch it.
Uniform Sierra India, AFM, right downwind runway 18, expect to land runway 18.
Expecting runway 18.
Told you, go.
Full clarification, via the overhead for a right downwind runway 18.
Via the overhead for a right downwind runway 18 and is an initial and pitch down runway 18 available.
On.
Hudson, Roger. Track via left initial, not below 1,500.
Main runway, I got the cross.
Via left initial, runway 18, not below 1,500. Hudson.
Now, Uniform Sierra India, I heard a change, or runway 18 for me, am I still on the 04?
Uniform Sierra India, wind 1004 knots, runway 04, clear to land.
Clear to land 04, Uniform Sierra India. Brakes, undercarriage down, mixtures. Moves on. I can see the runway. You got it.
Can you land beyond the taxiway? Is it part way down the runway?
I'll probably land short of that.
Right.
We start slowing down though.
And power from Hudson will be a right circuit on the 18.
Hudson, say again.
Will you be wanting us to do a right-hand circuit on the 18?
You'll be tracking via left initial, then initial pitch by the tower, then right turn over the runway.
Hudson, understood.
Pretty high now.
And boomerang, echelon left, go. Edinburgh Tower, Cessna 182, Oscar Bravo Foxtrot is at St Kilda at 1,000 feet for a time total of 812.
Oscar Bravo Foxtrot, Edinburgh Tower, cleared to enter restricted airspace. On a visual approach, Australian runway 04.
Clear to enter fast Australian airspace, visual approach for Australian 04, Oscar Bravo Foxtrot.
Bravo Foxtrot, track direct for final.
Tracking direct for a final, Oscar Bravo Foxtrot.
Uniform Sierra India, vacate at the end.
Vacating at the end, Uniform Sierra India. Edinburgh Tower, Uniform Sierra India is ready at hold point for runway 22, St Kilda departure.
Uniform Sierra India, Edinburgh Tower, g'day. Runway 22, line up.
Lining up, runway 22, Uniform Sierra India.
Uniform Sierra India, runway 22, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 22. Thanks for an awesome day.
Whoa!
Oh. Okay, you're all good?
We're all good.
On the floor, landing strobes. Give it. Oh my god, that sun. Revs are alive. P's and P's are in the green. Airspeed's alive. Fire away. St Kilda. There's still buses going, not too. Out of harbour straight ahead.
Yeah,
Edinburgh Tower, good afternoon, Jabiru 7385, holding short, runway 22, ready for departure.
Jabiru 7385, Edinburgh Tower, runway 22, line up.
Line up 22, 7385.
That's pretty cool.
7385, traffic is Cessna 172, Uniform Sierra India, a mile upwind, runway 22, passing 600 feet.
Got that traffic in flight 7385.
And there's a bird flying past us.
7385, runway 22, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 22, and just confirming it's a right-hand circuit on 22.
7385, affirm, make a right turn.
7385.
Didn't even think about that, I figured it was a direct, meant I could do a right turn. Alright, so we want 120.9, and tower's still open. 1.
You 4000, temperature 19er, QNH 1022. First contact with Parafield ground door tower, notify receipt of Golf. Parafield terminal information Golf, runway 21, arrivals and departures east, runway 21 left, frequency 124.6. Arrivals and departures west, runway 21 right, frequency 118.7. Wind varying between 180 and 240 degrees, 18 knots. Maximum crosswind 16 knots. Visibility greater than 10 kilometres. Cloud, view 4000. Uniform Sierra India, 2 miles to the boundary. At the boundary control service terminated. Frequency change approved. No traffic observed. OCTA. Ground door tower.
Copy that, Uniform Sierra India, frequency change approved.
Parafield terminal information Golf, runway 21, arrivals and departures east.
Alright, so then we want to go to 118.7. Golf, climbing to 1,100. There's the St Kilda thing down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think going direct over that's a bit of a fairly significant U-turn.
Yes, it is.
Alright. All good in the back?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, cool. We had a good view of all the stuff at Port Adelaide.
Yeah.
Subcore and all that. Alright, so we go for a quick transponder. Transponder code for 3000. Burn. Remember this time. I normally fly this way.
Oh, that's a bit of an interesting one. As long as it's not too busy, not too much of a target.
Pretty quiet now. That's pretty cool though, flying into the RAAF base and back out. Alright, so we'll go across to the tower. Parafield Tower, Cessna 172, Uniform Sierra India, is out of harbour 1,500, inbound, receive Golf.
Uniform Sierra India, Parafield Tower, join base for runway 2 on right, cleared visual approach.
Join base 2 on right, cleared visual approach, Uniform Sierra India. And can we get one circuit on arrival too, please?
Uniform Sierra India, that will likely be after we close. We're closing in 4 minutes' time.
Copy that, Uniform Sierra India. I would just say 2-1 right, that makes sense?
Yep, 2-1 right. Right base.
Right base for 2-1 right, so that's coming in over field from the other side. So there's an AWD.
Yeah, there is, yep.
I'll go down this way so you... Yep. Trying to find the Bolivar strobe.
Bolivar strobe is along that edge over there somewhere.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Yeah, I can see it. Just on the edge. There's a sandy bit at the end. There's a green bit between the two just there.
Yep. Cheers. We do have visual approach, so I can descend.
Yep, certainly can.
There is bird life down there, so I might stay up here for a bit longer. Decent wind still, 17 knots, crosswind.
Yeah, they said it was a bit gusty. We're 2-1 right, aren't we? Yeah, because John always talks about that river that goes through there. You can see the trees, the zigzags through there.
Yeah.
And then where's the Hollywood Plaza? Is in somewhere as well, isn't it?
Shops up, yeah.
Yeah. That's what he does to me when I come in here. He goes, so find that and sort of find that, and then you work your way out and you can work out your pattern for 2-1 right.
Yep. So this Bolivar treatment works down here?
Yes, it is, yeah.
But actually paid any attention to that in all the years that I've flown out? Now we have a tail and a crosswind.
Excellent.
I might start bringing it down.
When do they call and tell you they're closed?
Probably about the time we touch down. I reckon we'll probably get it our closed just before we arrive. Just about to go over Hollywood Plaza.
Oh, yep.
Under 110 knots. Flaps.
And all stations, Parafield Tower is now closed. The control zone reversed to Class Golf CTAF frequency 118.7. The only traffic Parafield is Uniform Sierra India Lake downwind.
Parafield Airdrome CTAF.
So now we'll go to 1200 on the transponder, because it's not towered. We can do what we like. And that's a strong crosswind. so we'll just do one circuit.
Yep.
Full flaps. Oh, getting pushed into the turn. Socks down the runway.